Hi, I'm Tanya Manekala and you're watching me on Filmy Beat. तो मेरे लिए भी काफी बारी मेरी आंखें बंद हो रही थी लाइक क्या हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है पता है मुझे पता भी नहीं था when I got to know that it was going to be
Yeah.
a Dharma production. Karan sir I actually met post after after we had shot everything and he told me things that I can't. I hope I get to meet him. I hope he's watched this movie Kabhi Na Kabhi and I hope I've left an impact. Again, my mom is not a person who watches action. So she was crying in the movie. She's felt so much, but I'm just so glad that they're watching my work and they're proud of what I'm doing.
रक्षक नहीं हो अगर राक्षस हो तुम राक्षस
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू फिल्मी बीट। दिस इज मुर्तजा इकबाल और आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस है जिनको मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं पिक्चर एक्शन मूवी देखने गया था, पर इनके सीन्स ने मुझे रुला भी दिया और मूवी देखने के बाद मैं डरा हुआ हूँ एंड आई कैन जस्ट से दैट आई थिंक समझ गए आप लोग टॉकिंग अबाउट तान्या हु इज हियर विद अस टुडे, जिनको हमने अभी देखा है किल में, एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू गिव हर अ हग बिकॉज़ शी डिजर्व्स इट। वो जो मूवी उन्होंने की है, एंड अगर आपने नहीं देखी है मूवी, so the scenes that she has are not easy to done. And Tanya, of course, first of all, I would like to start by asking कि कैसा रहा है response for you for your performance in Kill?
So far I've been getting very like I've been hearing good things तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पर कि किसी ने मुझे अभी तक hug नहीं दी थी and I needed that, thank you, but नहीं, लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है performance, काफी लोगों ने मुझे वो reaction दिया है जो आप कह रहे हैं, तो it feels very satisfying yeah, finally.
Right, you know, of course, I would like to know कि when जो of course shoot किया होगा तो वो इतना maybe वो gory gruesome चीजें नहीं होगी, वो तो शायद से VFX later चीजें add की गई होगी। When you saw the film for the first time, तो reaction क्या था?
Yeah, it was very hard for me also to digest कि इतना खून खराबा है, और मतलब in a lot of the action sequences I wasn't there to witness all of it because I just wasn't on set. तो मेरे लिए भी काफी बारी मेरी आंखें बंद हो रही थी लाइक क्या हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है, but I love this genre, so for me it was very thrilling. हाँ करो करो करो, but but मतलब I was rooting for both the goons and Amrit's character. So it didn't feel like I was a part of something like this. It really felt like an out of body experience कि मैं भी सब कुछ पहली बार ही देख रही थी, तो मुझे तो बहुत entertaining लगा.
But of course, you know, जब स्क्रिप्ट आई होगी तब कहीं पे भी वो ऐसा माइंडसेट था क्योंकि इसको ऐसे कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाएगा, दिस विल बी टर्न, वाज like the director, did he tell you कि okay, this is going to be the most violent film that you are making?
We had no idea it was going to turn out like that. And the surprising fact is that Nikhil sir had actually written out all the action sequences in the script. And even though हम सबने वो सब पढ़ा है और सबने imagine करने की कोशिश की है, I could never have imagined that it would be taken to this level. And मतलब what has been executed on screen was far superior than I think anybody could have envisioned.
Correct.
So we had no idea what we were getting on, on board for. But this ride, this train journey, has really taken us places. So yeah.
You know, of course, it is just somewhere on the other hand on just one set. एक train पे पूरी shoot कर दिया गया है. How difficult it is for an actor also to just imagine, क्योंकि इतना छोटा गैप है, even because just a spoiler, कहीं है ऐसे एक दो आप भी चाकू मार देते हो यहाँ वहाँ, to see that okay, it's just such a crumbed place और वहाँ पे छोटा मोटा एक्शन भी करना है, तो वो कितना डिफिकल्ट रहा आपके लिए?
Geniuses were at work and they made our job super easy. उन्होंने even though set बनाया था, that set had every part that was movable. तो ट्रेन के साइड के दरवाजे खुल रहे थे, ट्रेन का वॉशरूम खुल रहे थे, एंड वो जो जंक्शन था वो एक्चुअली में हिल रहा था, उन्होंने शॉकर्स लगाए हुए थे नीचे, तो even though we were supposed to imagine that it was a cramped space and obviously we did not have that much luxury to move, but they really made the job very easy for us, that they allowed us to have as much room as possible, so there was never room for like कि अरे नहीं हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा, जो भी आपको करना था उन्होंने उसके लिए वो feasibility बना के रखी थी. But all of that being said, it was a challenge because कैमरा होता था, कैमरा के पीछे 10 लोग और हैं, उसके बाद डायरेक्शन टीम है, यहाँ पे आपके को एक्टर्स हैं, तो having the markings right, having the emotional graph right, all of that was also a part of the challenge, but मजेदार.
Right. पर कहीं आपने तान्या बोला नहीं डायरेक्टर को, सर एक इस इंसान को मार तो देने दो कि मैं एटलीस्ट मार दूं, कोई ना कोई इस पिक्चर में किसी ना किसी को मार देता है, मुझे एक मौका तो दो कि मैं किसी को मार दूं.
मेरा तो बहुत मन था यार, पर सर का यही था कि नहीं, तो लेकिन आई विल फाइट फॉर सेल्फ डिफेंस, but she's not one who's out on a vengeance to
Yeah,
kill. So
correct.
वैसा
Of course, and even
अगली बार कभी.
the scene, the interval block, it also got people emotional. आंखों में आंसू भी थे, वो बहुत emotionally आपने आपने बहुत beautifully shoot किया है.
Thank you.
How was that to shoot? Because it's a emotional scenes करना भी difficult होता है, and here it is not that you are crying loud or something.
Yeah.
जो Muslim emotion, it's very difficult just with the facial expressions you have to do it. How was that part?
That was the most challenging part of it for me actually, because on that day, right before that, we had an action sequence, the chasing sequence, और वहाँ पे मुझे चोट लग गई थी in
हाँ,
my arm, which I'm supposed to do action with. तो मेरी arm movement ज़्यादा हो नहीं पा रही थी. And Raghav now obviously had to take care कि okay मुझे भी नहीं लगनी चाहिए,
हाँ,
but he also still had to get that technical,
yeah,
the points right to make it seem real. And स्लो मो में शूट हो रहा था, मतलब it's a very crucial point to the story. So we had to sort of keep that in mind कि there is a lot, it's a very emotionally heavy scene.
yeah,
All of that, मतलब आपको technicalities तो ठीक है, आपको याद रखनी पड़ेंगी चीजें, but you at never, like at no point can leave the emotional
yeah,
graph of
correct.
it. So I have not been that experienced in the cinema
Yeah,
world and everything. I've done very OTT stuff, so
yeah.
it's been very close
Action
to
is, I
real
think,
life.
maybe first action film.
Exactly, and
हाँ,
it's been much closer
yeah,
to real life, or at least without the emotional
yeah,
baggage attached to it. So I was doing it very real कि हाँ हाँ लगती है चोटें, जो भी होता है सब कुछ होता है. But then Nikhil sir came to me and he's like, you have to take cinematic liberty
yeah,
here. You have to, like, this is your moment, and this you have to connect with the
yeah,
audiences. So remember that this is going to add to the plot. This is where things are going to turn. So you just have to remember that in front of you is the love of your life, and you are going to take a step that's going to drastically change things for you. You could have gone the other way, but you stood up for what you believed in, and I want to see that in your face. I was like, okay, sir. And now, see, talking about it also gives
yeah.
me
I mean, I'm
goosebumps.
wearing jacket. मेरे तो goosebumps है, थोड़ी beard वो सब ऐसे. It's just going into another level. Was just thinking about that scene. Tanya, of course, this movie is co-produced by Karan Johar, Dharma Productions की फिल्म है, and when हम सब Dharma Productions बहुत अलग kind of movies देख के बड़े हुए हैं. कहीं वो disappointment रह गया कि यार शिफॉन साड़ी में डांस करना रह गया है मेरा.
नहीं, पता है मुझे पता भी नहीं था when I got on board that it was going to be
Yeah.
a Dharma production.
Oh,
I
okay.
was I when I got on board was Sikya, and then Dharma also got on board eventually, or maybe I wasn't aware of these
Yeah.
things. तो मेरी तो कभी कोई expectations थी ही नहीं, तो मुझे जो मिल रहा था मैं उसमें भी बहुत खुश थी, and I was just happy to be a part of the dream that I always thought I wanted to live.
Right, but did you meet Karan sir? उन्होंने क्या बोला है आपको? And even Gurneet, of course, she is
Yeah.
a Oscar award winning producer that you have
Yeah.
worked with. So उन दोनों ने producers ने आपको कुछ बोला है कि how was your performance, and did you get a response from them?
I did. Guneet ma'am and I used to meet during the readings also, and she obviously told me that she has been watching my work
Yeah.
and that she was very happy to have me on board. Karan sir, I actually met post after, after we had shot
Yeah.
everything, and he told me things that I can't say because there'll be spoilers. But
एक बात बोल, छोटी
उन्होंने
बात.
उन्होंने बस यही बोला था कि that what he said, no, that people
Yeah.
are going to really emotionally connect
हाँ
with
हाँ
you,
हाँ.
and you are going to be able to make people cry, and that I thought was like, thank you, sir. That, and Guneet ma'am also, just she is so lovely, she's so supportive,
Yeah.
and she's so much heart. So that I was just happy to be surrounded by people who believed in you, who could see the vision for you, and who really paved that path for you. So I was just very happy, and I'm grateful for this opportunity that I've gotten.
Correct. So, but of course, Tanya, ये हमने of course skill से we have seen your different side, a very different role that you have got. Now, what kind of roles do you look forward to after Kill, and what will be your career forward now?
Pata nahi, yeah, I just hope to keep experimenting. I do want to be on the big screen a lot
Yeah.
more now. So let's see. I hope that happens. And apart from that, I mean, Kill was also such a surprise
Yeah.
for me. I did not think I'd be doing such a role. So I don't know what life has in store for me now. So I'm just hoping to keep exploring and keep experimenting.
Yeah, I know your love for Shah Rukh Khan, and now this is a Dharma film. कभी ऐसे मन हो रहा है कि यार काश शाहरुख खान की पिक्चर जाके देख ले,
मेरा बहुत
और
मन है
एटलीस्ट
यार,
कहीं
मेरा
ट्वीट इंस्टाग्राम पे
मेरा
कुछ तो कर दे.
बहुत मन है यार कि I just I hope I get to meet him. I hope he's watched this movie कभी ना कभी, and I hope I've left an impact. Sorry, कितनी ज़्यादा bluntly मैं बोल देती हूँ यार.
Yeah, but
But
that's why I said कि ये तो मैं पूछूंगा because I know you're not for Shahrukh Khan.
you remembered, yeah. Oof. But at the premiere also, Abhi, I was telling my friend only कि, you know, okay, चलो ठीक है, Karan Johar sir is here now, so it's one step closer to
Yeah.
him. You never know, maybe one day.
How did your family react after watching the movie?
They
Have they
loved
watched it?
it.
Yeah.
They watched it in Delhi on the day of the screening, and then they also went to
Yeah.
watch yesterday on the day of the release. तो उनको बहुत अच्छी लगी, and my mom is not a person who watches action. उनकी मतलब उनकी आंखें ऐसी ही रहती हैं.
हाँ.
So she was crying in the movie. She's felt so much, but I'm just so glad कि they're watching my work and they're proud of what I'm doing. That really makes my heart very full.
Correct. So what's happening next? Kill के बाद now where do we see you? Upcoming projects की मैं बात करूँ तो.
अभी तो यार we have shot for a few things now. So now let's see, but nothing has been announced as
Okay.
of yet. So let's see, as and when things are announced, I'll speak to you again. Shah Rukh Khan sir की बातें
Of
होंगी,
course,
कुछ
of
ना
course.
कुछ होगा.